The Backbone One is one of the best controllers for us hardcore mobile gamers. Unfortunately, it's been known to run into disconnecting issues. That can be very frustrating, but still very fixable. We're going to go over 5 different ways to fix your Backbone if it's constantly disconnecting. Starting first with making sure your phone is up to date by checking out what software version you're on. Second, double check the Backbone app is up to date. Since this controller works off the Backbone app, you need to constantly ensure it's getting the right firmware updates. Otherwise, it could have disconnection issues. Third, carefully confirm that your phone's port and Backbone One connector are clean and free of lint, dirt, or other obstructions. And lastly, try restarting your phone and disconnecting the controller. Also, keep in mind that some games might not work with the Backbone, depending on if it's an older game. We hope this helps you guys out if you're running into issues. We'd also like to point out you can get on our iOS newsletter, where we send out 1 email a week below in the description. We'd also like to run some gameplay on the Backbone because, well, it's just that awesome. So, let's run it.
Over here.